Magandang hapon po ng June 21, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 21, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, June 21, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 21, 2025 Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, June 21, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for June 21, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.